Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Air fry potatoes. Peel the potatoes and soak them for 5 minutes. This removes excess starch for extra crispiness. Cut into bite-sized chunks. Boil for 6 minutes. Drain well. Add cumin powder, chili powder, salt, and olive oil. Toast until every piece is evenly coated. Air fry at 360° Fahrenheit for 13 minutes. Flip carefully. Don't break the crust. Air fry at the same temperature for another 10 minutes. And that's it. Perfectly crispy potatoes. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe for more simple recipes. See you in the next one.